Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I brought you this exciting product for my Tesla Y. This product is from EV Base. This is side mirror cover inspired by 2025 Tesla Model Y, which is codename is Juniper. A glossy, real carbon fiber side mirror covers, and it is compatible with Tesla Model Y 2020 and up. Provides a sleek and sporty look for your Model Y. User manual, you can choose either the matte color or the glossy color, and they supply a separate double-sided tape. They include 2 adhesive promoters. I don't use them because I might take this off anytime you want. It comes with a double-sided tape like that, so just peel it and attach it onto it, and look at the real carbon fiber. It's super lightweight. It's built perfectly. There's a nice design here. This is crafted from 100% real molded carbon fiber with a nice V pattern. Available in matte and glossy finish. This carbon fiber rear view mirror overlay protects against road debris, dings, and scratches. They also cover the existing scratches on your side mirror surface. The cover is snapped into place and holds well. They cover the original paint and won't hurt the finish. Let's go install this on my Tesla Y. Wipe this down. You can see some of the scratch marks, simple wear and tear. Also want to clean this edge. Let's remove the double-sided tape. See, as you can see, there's no lines. But look at, let's pop it in like this. Goes in perfectly. Let's press it down. So it gives a perfect fit like that. So this is the overall look. So as you can see, the difference between the carbon fiber glossy versus the default white. It looks very, very nice. The reason why I went with the glossy carbon fiber is because the rear spoiler is glossy carbon fiber. There's the beautiful spoiler. It's a glossy carbon fiber. Very nice. Thank you for viewing my video, and see you on the next one.